Morning guys. We are in downtown Toronto right now here. This is the city center. Yeah. I am in front of Chelsea's hotel here. I'm going to pick up my car right now because we are planning with my family to go somewhere else. There's a paramedics. It's so noisy. "26 Gerard." There's a big tree. Nothing somewhere here. Skyscrapers guys, tataas ng building dito sa downtown Toronto. Ito yun guys ang residence namin dito, our residence. Hey guys, we are headed to somewhere else today with my family. My kids is at the back there. Hi Ate B.
Hello.
Hi Tutoy.
Hi.
Yeah. I like the Mercedes guys. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Say hi to the people, mommy.
Hi guys.
Guys, that's it.
That's it. Limited lang.
Okay, biyahe muna kami mga pare. Okay. Guys, what's up guys? We are here in Niagara Falls, Ontario, with my palalabs. See? The other palalabs is there, and the middle palalabs, and the last palalabs. Hi, Tutoy!
Papa, look, fuck, wait, yan.
And the other palalabs is here. The first palalabs.
Boy.
We just got here guys. Kakain muna kami sa Starbucks.
Huh? Starbucks.
Ito fancy car. They had only 30,886 kilometers.
Oh, bitch. Ito ba yan?
Punta kami sa the lake dyan. Maglakad-lakad kami. Okay.
Ayan na naman siya. Ulan na naman.
We're doing this photo.
Lunch at the Key guys with my family here. This is our New Year lunch. Prime rib, salmon. What you got there, Ate? Steak?
I got filet mignon.
Filet mignon. Tutoy. Sirloin with
Lobster.
lobster. And Ate Bea, the same thing too.
No, I just got a New York strip.
Enjoy the lunch guys.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
Thank you kids and mommy. Mommy's gonna feed lunch. We are in the Kig restaurant. Eat muna kami guys. Mami, videohan mo ko.
Go inside na, Dad.
Where did you go guys?
We were hiding.
I think pwede natin naiwan dito yung car. Mag-backline lang tayo pa yan sa.
Really?
Yeah.
So ano naman?
Ha?
So madami.
Hindi, malapit lang. on the lakes. Lalakad-lakad kami guys dito sa on the lakes. Niagara Falls, Niagara Falls, Ontario. Raining all day today. Saan dalawa? Yeah. Oh, stop only past this point. It's a big dinosaurs. Merong carnival guys, peryahan. Pero decente guys ang peryahan nila dito, merong peryahan. Carnival Chaos High Fair Ride.
Daddy, parang
Ay,
wala
Montana's
tayong
Bar.
Daddy,
Ha?
yung magnet ba na Niagara Falls? Wala tayo na.
Meron souvenir. Meron trading pen.
Hindi, wala tayo dun sa house.
Meron.
Wala.
Papasok ka dyan sa trading? Canada Trading. Mami, papasok ka dito sa Canada Trading? Tingnan ang dalawa. Titit. Tit. Bosom siguro titit.
Yeah, hindi na tayo na.
Kalak niya suko. Tim Hortons puno. Pero it's not bad. Ang guys, ang carnival nita dito guys, Sky Wheels, Niagara. Ito tayo dun.
Parang gusto ko sumakay Daddy.
Niagara Sky Wheels. Guys, yung mga ano nila dito, peryahan sa loob, disenteng peryahan nila guys, nasa loob. Yung Trikidus, the Trikidus, ang mga forma na yang o lady pilot, naka leather jacket. Boston Pizza, malaking ice cream. Picturean mo si Mami sa malaking ice cream na.
Malamig yung ice cream pa talaga.
Great Canadian.
Cotton candy to.
Midway. Maulan. Night out in Niagara guys. This is in Niagara Falls. Lakad-lakad tayo tapos na kami maglaro doon sa peryahan.
Music celebrity.
there is in Parawa here, guys. Parawa.
Darling, we're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight.
Rock? What is
As is Ramsey II, the Parawa. Egypt.
Ay, sa salita.
Yeah.
Hey, hey, do you think boy to be
Guys, malamig dito ngayon kasi maulan siya ng maulan siya. Maghapon nagumulan. Adventure City over there. There's a lot of people here, guys. It's crowded.
Daddy, yung number ha?
Guys, watch nyo ang aking YouTube channel ngayong please subscribe Pinoy Heavy Haul, guys. Nag-enjoy si Pinoy Heavy Haul dito sa Niagara Falls, Ontario. Ganda yung trees nila dito, guys, maraming lights. See that? Guys, yung nasa kabila niyan, guys, is New York City, Buffalo. Oh, Niagara Falls, New York. Yung nasa kabila ng lake. Love. Oh, here. The entrance is here. It's the love. And guys, ang pools, Niagara Falls. Have Canadian flags there. I don't know where's the Canadian flags. I don't know if that's here. Yeah, guys, that is the lake. Falls and all of that. So lots of people here.
Daddy, nandun tayo sa kabila, di ba, Daddy?
Yeah. Hey guys, pauwi na kami ngayon guys. Headed back to Toronto na. Maulan at mababa na yung fog ngayon, yung ulap. Ayan. Yeah. Ito yun guys ang car namin. Nandito na yung 3 Kidu. Dito yung mga jacket sa likod. Kalagay yung mga jacket sa likod. Okay, you guys ready there?
Yeah.
Okay. GLA 250. Mandar na ba?
Let me give mom's bag to her.
Yan.
Mom, here you go.
Ano siya?
Oh my bad age.
Oh, naka-auto pala tayo. Naka-auto.
Y'all want from McDonald's?
Guys.
It's so
Wow. Nice. Car here. Let's go guys. Biyahe na tayo pa uwi. Bye bye Niagara. See you next year.
Yung gamit natin sa likod.
Hello guys, we just arrived here now in Toronto. Yeah, parada muna kami guys at kami ay matutulog na. Good night mga kaibigan. Thank you. Please share and subscribe Pinoy Heavy Haul.